Being part of ECD means self-growth, responsibility.
It's like being part of a family.
A team and being part of something bigger than yourself.
I think it's being part of a dream.
It's a family.
There's nothing to feel better. Wake up in the morning, work as hard as you can.
Being a part of ECD has changed my life.
Teamwork.
Be part of an amazing team.
Being a dream maker. This is something special.
Getting to hear the feedback from the clients really is the absolute highlight of the job.
I'm part of a family.
It's being part of a family. Everybody helps one another.
It means a lot of responsibility, but it's a pretty cool responsibility.
It means being part of the best custom Land Rover shop in the industry.
A lot of vehicles.
Probably unique is the word. Environment.
Taking what I thought I had as good skills and allowed me to really make them come out.
I never thought I would grow so much as a leader and as a person.
ECD has impacted my life by giving me stability.
You know, when we think back to how we first started out, it's really been very impactful in the last 10 years.
I've grown up with this company. It's
Changed what I thought was possible.
A change in my mindset.
Gotten like a house, gotten married, have a kid on the way.
Over time, I've been able to learn quite a bit.
You're a family working together, trying to make sure everything's successful.
And to be in a place that you enjoy it, you learn.
We still push each other to do the best we can.
ECD has allowed me to expand my skill set, making me a more valuable employee.
A big change in my life.
A lot of ups and a lot of downs, but through it all, I have been blessed.
I think when you see people buying first houses, putting kids through college, that's changed my life.
It's let us build some great cars, let us drive some great cars.
I literally can't remember my life before ECD. ECD is my life.
We keep on coming up with something different, something new.
These trucks are amazing. When it all comes together, it's like, wow.
The owners treat you like family.
When everybody walks through that door in the morning, we're all here for the same reason. We want to make the best vehicles in the world.
We have a lot of international culture, but also a culture of quality.
Probably the extraordinary craftsmanship and innovation.
The people. We have the best of the best in the industry here.
They find people that are specialized in what they do.
The culture that is cultivated here and that is embraced by everyone.
ECD is special because it's a unique product.
To know that you belong to a part of a family. When they come to you and ask you, good morning, how you doing?
Our boss actually comes in here, Scott, and says good morning and how you're doing.
Treat me like a family.
I had some personal issues, but ECD was kind enough to allow me to work from home so that I could keep an eye on my wife.
The company isn't scared to invest in their employees with things like certifications and training.
People and the product both have to be really unique, and we do that really successfully.
Is all the care that we give to each build.
What makes ECD special is the product that the team create.
Everything that we do is what makes us successful.
Because they don't stop at anything. ECD makes it happen.
Having that family values driven into this company, it's unlike anything else I've ever experienced.
The people of the company make it so successful.
The pride that everybody in this business takes in our product.
It's the passion and dedication.
I think our clients realize that we have the best of the best here.
We find people that know what they're doing.
Everyone feels that they truly contribute.
We all care about what we do in our job, wanting to make sure that we do succeed, and that's what family is.
How to be the best in life.
Organize ourselves and discipline ourselves to actually do better every day that we get into this company.
Perfection.
I think that the owners truly care about the employees.
We're constantly pushing ourselves to build a better product.
Care and attention to detail.
What people do every day, day in, day out when they turn up.
I think the story makes us successful. A fiction author couldn't have wrote this story. We didn't write it, we've lived it every single day.